Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer, like looking through a telescope or looking in a mirror. You have lots of questions and we don't know what you'll find, so get into the data and into a scientific state of mind.
Hi, my name's Collin. I like to read, ride my bike, and play video games. All of these are possible because of science. Welcome to Kai-Sci, where children and science come together.
So it's been really hot out, right?
Yeah.
Really hot and muggy.
Yeah.
And you wanted to do some science this summer, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think would be a good experiment to start off with?
Maybe we should do ice cream.
Ice cream. That sounds like a great idea.
I know.
Do you know anything about ice cream?
Well, you have to at least have 10% of milk fat in your product,
Okay.
according to the USDA standards,
Yeah.
and another 6% of milk solids.
What do you know about making ice cream?
Well, after you make your ice cream, make sure you gotta whip it while it's freezing. Otherwise, ice crystals do form, and you won't get that nice creamy texture, and it'll be all solid.
Okay.
And you don't want
So you want to turn this into a science experiment, right?
Yeah.
So I have an idea. What about we take this cup and we'll put some of our ice cream mixture in here and freeze it solid. And then we'll whip the rest of the ice cream mix like you said, and we'll see which one is most like the kind of ice cream that we like to eat. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what kind of ice cream do you want to make?
Ice cream.
Chai-ice cream? What's chai-ice cream?
It's chai flavored ice cream.
Sounds good to me. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready.
Yep. For this experiment, you will need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of Tazo Tri-Latte concentrate reduced down to 1 cup, 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt.
We have to heat up the next part, so I'll help.
Thanks, Mom! Over low heat, combine the tea concentrate, salt, and whipping cream, and stir them together. While that's cooking, beat together the egg yolks and the sugar until they turn really light yellow. Just like that. When the tea mixture gets to 175 degrees, blend some of it in with the eggs.
That tempers the eggs, which means they won't curdle when we cook them.
You mean scramble.
Right.
Now pour the egg mixture back into the tea mixture. Keep cooking it until you can draw a line in the back of your spoon without it filling back in. Don't forget to stir in the vanilla.
Now it's time for the fun part.
Yay! Follow the manufacturer's directions and pour your ice cream mixture into the machine. We're going to let this run for about half an hour. In the meantime, we've already got a paper cup, put some in it, and stuck it in the freezer. I can't wait to see what happens.
Now it's ready for the freezer.
It looks so smooth and creamy.
We're back.
We're back.
Yep. So we froze our ice cream.
Yeah?
Why don't you take a look, make some observations.
That doesn't look so good.
You don't think so?
And there's like a whole side and stuff.
How about the ice cream that we made the right way? How does that look?
That looks awesome.
Looks delicious, doesn't it?
Yes, it does.
So let's get a scoop of that.
Oh my god, that's big. Wow. Can't wait to eat it.
Okay, before we can eat it, we have to finish our science experiment here, okay? So, do you notice any similarities between the two of these?
Well, they're both frozen.
I'm going to turn these around so for the camera so
Both
everyone
are
can
frozen.
see. They're both frozen, right?
They're both
I'm actually going to take this one out and put it in the bowl too.
this bowl.
Yep.
Is that what it is?
Do you notice any differences?
Well, this one's like frozen solid, and it's like not. It doesn't look so good.
Doesn't look so good. What about the color? Do you notice any differences in the
It's
color?
darker than that.
It's darker than the ice cream that we whipped?
Yeah, except for the outer layers of it.
Okay.
It's like peanut butter.
Looks like peanut butter. It's not peanut butter. What about the density?
Well, here, let's see. Whoa.
Remember that density is how tightly packed together something is.
Oh my god, this one's like harder to get out, break, and this one's like easy.
So which one do you think is more dense?
This one.
The one that we froze in the cup, we didn't whip it.
Yeah.
What about differences in texture?
Well,
You have to put it in your mouth and try it. Is it smooth or what's it like? Smooth and creamy?
yeah.
How about this one? Well, it's kind of difficult to get on the spoon, isn't it?
Too strong.
Too strong, the flavor?
Yeah.
This one was okay?
Yeah, that was perfect.
I wonder if that's because we didn't whip this one, so the flavor didn't get spread out with some air bubbles.
Yeah, it's way too strong.
Probably. Well, I'm excited. We made ice cream. It's going to help keep us cool. Tastes good? That is delicious. Oh, I want some of that. Wow. Okay. Well, you want to finish your ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye to everybody.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Go ahead. Go ahead.
The earth goes round the sun, but can you prove it? This desk has chewing gum. What will remove it? I don't know, but I have a guess, and I'll test my hypothesis. Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer. When you're seeking answers, science brings them nearer. You don't need a lab coat or big goggles all the time. Just get into the data and into a scientific state of mind. My bike may start to rust. Can I prevent that? Our bones need phosphorus. How do we get that? I don't know, but I have a guess, and I'll test my hypothesis. Life can be confusing, science makes it clearer, like looking through a telescope or looking in a mirror. You have lots of questions and we don't know what you'll find, so to get into the data and into a scientific state of mind. Does it cause cancer? Is this a chicken bone or something fancier? I don't know, but I have a guess, and I'll test my hypothesis. Life can be confusing, Science makes it clearer. When you're seeking answers, science brings them nearer. You don't need a lab coat or big goggles all the time. Just get into the data and into a scientific state of mind. Confusing, science makes it clearer. When you're seeking answers, science brings them nearer. You don't need a lab coat or big goggles all the time. Just get into the data and into a scientific state of mind.